Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to Bonk Update. Today Bonk is doing exceptionally really well, and there has been huge pump, huge move to the upside, and Pepe is very shameless. It hasn't done that just yet, and right now you are retracing to the downside, and of course I've actually draw in some resistances. I think the resistance is coming a little bit more like this, right? So the resistance line is more like that. And basically you have to be careful, of course, because once you are touching the resistance, you can get rejected really badly. And one more thing is that there is a little bit of a threat that Bonk can actually go on and retrace even lower to maybe potentially come down to maybe 1452. However, that's not necessary. You can still end up coming up here, break above, retest, and even try to go on and continue to the upside if the market does actually get bullish. But if you do get rejected here, and you go with the fact that you got rejected one time and went down, second time you went down, third time you went down, so we can actually try to calculate from the previous rejection what's the average time that you've actually been falling down. So this was the number one move down. There was 16%. Okay, the second time you did so, this was almost 22%, and then the third time was even bigger, and that's 25%, right? So if you do the math, we have almost 20% average move to the downside. So basically, if you do go down and you make a 20% move down, that's going to be 1364. Let's just say even 14%. That can actually be 1478. So let's hope you do not retrace that much big, because chances are you could actually even continue to go on and break and move to the upside again. And I'm going to tell you why. The biggest reason you can do that is because Ethereum is looking super good, and I think that Ethereum is looking to retest 2496 here because of do you see this pattern here? You've broken out of it, you're coming for the retest, and you could actually start to go on and move even 18% for Ethereum. So if Ethereum does that, then do expect Pepe to actually follow along and actually continue to even pump even more, and then eventually come up to 2300 level. So that's all for the video, and I'm going to see you in the next one. Office.